Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at 2/1 game force and what the responder does at their second bid. So it's fantastic that you're in a game force when the bidding goes something like 1 heart past 2 clubs, because neither opener nor responder needs to hurry up. They can describe what's in their hands. So you might say, why would you need fourth suit forcing, which is a way to force to game when you're in a situation where you're not sure what the best contract is? Well, 2/1 game force doesn't need fourth suit forcing very often, but it does come up in those situations where you've described 3 suits and you don't necessarily have a stopper in the fourth suit where you can bid no trumps, and where you really need more information from partner. At that time, use fourth suit forcing. You already were forcing to game, but if you use fourth suit forcing, partner will know that you're not sure what is the best game. So it's really fabulous to be in a game force where you don't have to rush. Try the hand I've given you and have a great week, everyone. You're the opener, so 1 spade, 13 high card points, an extra point for the 5th spade, so we just open normally 1 spade, our 5 card major. Partner bids 2 clubs, which in 2/1 game force, just forced to game, is natural, showing 4 or more clubs and an opening hand. We continue to describe our shape, knowing we're in a game force. They like diamonds. That's good news. So what to play in? Here's the question. We can't just bid 3 no trumps because we don't have a stopper in hearts. There's not much more that we can tell about the hand because we've already said we've got 5 spades and 4 diamonds. We don't want to raise clubs. We can't bid no trumps. So the best bid is to make a bid of the 4th suit, 3 hearts. Partner knows that if we had hearts, we would have bid 3 no trumps. So our bid was asking partner about a stopper. They've said we don't have a stopper in hearts, we can't bid 3 no trumps. So neither can we. So we need to go to game in diamonds. So we do have indeed 2 heart losers, and hopefully we'll make the rest. They're leading trumps, which doesn't really worry us, so we'll win the queen. And I think keep playing trumps. They broke 3-2, take the last trump out, and go for spades. We can't lose any more tricks, but we've got plenty of options. The spade suit broke 4-2, so all we've got to do now is trump this spade and we've got the rest. We had the rest anyway because we've got ace, king, queen of clubs. So no worries on this hand. So luckily we played diamonds, 5 diamonds. If we had played 3 no trumps, we could have been beaten horribly because look at their hearts. 2/1 game force allowed us to go more slowly and to show what we had and what we didn't have via 4th suit forcing.